Missile hit a town in Russia, which is 200 kilometers behind the border with Ukraine. Apparently, a S-200 missile has struck downtown Taganrog. Judging from the reaction on Twitter, it appears that the Russians do not like karma when it comes to visit them.
Зачем?
This is the moment of the arrival in Taganrog. That looks very much like an S-200 5V-28 missile. Ukraine recently adapted those to be used against ground targets. Footage of the missile strike clearly shows a Ukrainian S-200 missile which has been converted into a surface-to-surface strike missile. This video appears to confirm the claims made by the Russian Ministry of Defense that this was a Ukrainian strike and not an out-of-control S-300AD missile like Ukrainian sources have been reporting. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense, this S-200 missile was intercepted, at which point it fell on the cafe. But shortly after, Russians attacked the Ukrainian city of Dnipro. Ukrainian President Zelensky said, "This evening, Russians attacked a high-rise building and the security service of Ukraine's office in Dnipro. Terrorist Russia's missiles strike again. Search and rescue teams are on site. As always, response efforts are as immediate as possible. We will do everything to fully punish Russia for its aggression and terror against our people. These bastards will answer. We will do everything to ensure that justice is served," said Zelensky. The moment of arrival at the SBU building in Dnipro. The second missile passed by. This is how the SBU Security Service of Ukraine deals with Russian agents and traitors. An employee blew up the Kibyshev oil refinery in Russian town of Samara. Preliminarily, the improvised explosive device was planted by this person, who arrived with a bag but was the last person to leave the area without it. Sergei was reportedly born in Ukraine. When the village of Stara was liberated, Ukrainian soldiers destroyed a lot of equipment of the Russian occupiers from the 136th Separate Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade and 247th Guards Assault Regiment. "I'm warning you!" A Russian ship is threatening a civilian ship. The video is a recording of a conversation between a Russian ship that contacted a civilian ship passing near one of Ukrainian seaports.
What is your cargo? What is your cargo? Over. Do you have weapons on board? Information. I warn you about the ban on movement to the ports of Ukraine, as well as the fact that ships heading to the ports of Ukraine are considered by the Russian side as potential transportation of military cargo. And the countries of the ship's flags are considered involved in the conflict in Ukraine. Over.
In the Bakhmut area, a Russian Lancet loitering munition targets a Ukrainian AHS Crab SPG parked inside an anti-drone cage. The cage appears to work, causing the Lancet to prematurely detonate. Operation Interflex, the UK-led infantry training of Ukrainian volunteers, has trained thousands of recruits. Operation Interflex offers battlefield training to help Ukrainians in their fight against the illegal invasion of their homeland. And more footage from the visit of Russian Defense Minister Shoigu to North Korea. He seemed to be in the USSR.
들이 향기 극한 꽃다발을 삼가 오렸습니다. 또한 대표단 간장들에게 충전의 정이 어린 꽃다발을 드렸습니다. 참가자들이 공연 보았습니다. 대공연에는 공군국가합창단, 줄기차게 계승 발전되리라는 확신과
The era of global warming has ended. The era of global boiling has arrived.
The era of global boiling has arrived. The air is unbreathable, the heat is unbearable, and the level of fossil fuel profits and climate inaction is unacceptable. According to the data released today, July has already seen the hottest 3-week period ever recorded, the 3 hottest days on record, and the highest ever ocean temperatures for this time of year. The consequences are clear and they are tragic. Children swept away by monsoon rains, families running from the flames, workers collapsing in scorching heat. Leaders must lead. No more hesitancy, no more excuses, no more waiting for the others to move first. There is simply no more time for that.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.